I find my workplace inclusive because we tend to hire people based on their skills and how they'll fit into the company. It doesn't matter about their gender or their age or their nationality. It's just an industry that's for everyone.
Coming here as someone who's less experienced, I actually felt really vulnerable.
I always thought that this industry was dominated by older people.
The great thing about bringing younger people into the organisation is what they can teach us. So for example, things like TikTok, Instagram, they're really, really important tools that we're using more and more in the future.
We've got people from various ethnic backgrounds, various religious backgrounds. I happen to be Jewish and I've never had a problem with acceptance.
Not everybody that comes to us is academic. We definitely need those, but we need people who just want to use their hands.
The main thing which I see is the right attitude and the team spirit in order to be successful in this field.
As a female leader, it makes me happy to pave the way for future female leaders to continue in this profession and encourage them to join manufacturing as it's exciting.
So whether or not you're someone who is more technical and hands-on, or whether you're someone who enjoys a little bit more of the creative side of things, really the world is your oyster when you go into manufacturing, and the number of career moves you can take and the different options you have available to you are basically endless.